This is a quick video on how to install a car horn on your quad. This is for a 500cc Polaris. And the horns come in pretty handy if you're trying to get attention to the rider in the front. So you gotta get the low profile button here. And that's only because you need to have the cover clear, otherwise it won't attach. And I'll put the link to the parts in the description. We got a horn here. You can get any horn from any auto parts store. They all mount the same. I just used a self-tapping screw here. And it has to be mounted right here in the center so the cover can clear. Otherwise, you're gonna have a problem there. And for the ground wire, I grounded it to this bolt here, ran it to the button, and for the button, back to the horn. For the positive, I ran the wire from here all the way back to the battery. Just make sure to zip tie everything. And it's just attached back here. And you gotta make sure to put an inline fuse. Ideally, it should be close to the battery back there, so if anything touches and grounds out, it will just cut off the power, but I'm too lazy to move it back there. And in case you're wondering, these LED projector lights, they're from Sans Power Sports. I'll put a link in the description for that. If you have any questions, just put it in the comments. Thanks. And here we got the finished product. And I did move the fuse to the back. I guess I chickened out. Thanks, guys.